Hello guys, I am Surbi and today we are going to draw this beautiful and easy mandala from scratch. If you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. The first thing is you don't need any grid to draw this mandala. We can draw this mandala without any grid. Now let's begin. First we will start with drawing circles. Grab your compass and pen and draw circles. First I'm drawing random circles and then I'll show you the measurements of the circles. If you want to draw circles without any measurements, you can draw as per the design we want and draw another circle just a little away from the first one. This is what I am doing, and after drawing all the circle I'll show you the measurements. I am not measuring these circles, but I'll show you. But you need to remember just one thing, that after every circle you draw another circle just a little away from the first one. That's it. And you can draw circles as per the measurements you want. Now I'll show you the measurements of these circles. You can see the measurements like this. I'm keeping this scale from the center so you can see the measurements of circles from the center. And if you want, you can also see the measurements like this. For all the circles, the measurements are these. Now we will start to draw patterns for our mandala. For the center design, we will start to draw drop petals like this in this complete circle. Draw drop petals like this in this complete circle. If you want, you can also draw lines before drawing, but you can also draw like this. After drawing these drop petals, draw a line and a circle in these petals. Draw a line and a circle. After doing this, just fill all this remaining space between the two petals. Let's complete this. After completing the center design, we will start to draw patterns, or you can say fillers, in all these rows. The center design is completed now. We will start to draw patterns in the row. In the first row, we will draw just simple lines, just like this. We are going to complete this first row by drawing lines like this in this complete row. Let's complete drawing lines in the first row. The first row is completed now. After completing the first row, in the second row we will draw small circles like this. Just draw these small circles and then fill remaining space between the two circles. We will complete this second row by drawing the circles and filling the space. Let's complete this row. After completing the second row, we will start to draw patterns in the next row. In the next row, we will start to draw these rounded petals and then draw a line. Draw rounded petals and draw a line like this and then fill the space between two petals. We are going to complete this row by using this simple pattern. Draw rounded petals, draw a line and fill the space between two petals. Let's complete this row. After completing this row, in the next row we will start to draw a line and a dot like this. Draw a line and a dot and then draw another in the opposite direction like this. Draw a line and a dot and another in opposite direction. So this is also the easiest pattern. So we are going to complete this row using this pattern. So let's complete this row. So this row is also completed. Now we will start next row. So in the next row we will start to draw pointed petals, then double the lining of the pointed petal like this. Draw a line in the middle, then draw diagonal lines at one side and draw a line and a dot at another side. Draw a pointed petal, then double the lining, draw a line in the middle, draw some diagonal lines at one side and at another side draw a line and a dot. So this is the pattern we are going to draw. Draw a pointed petal, double the lining, then draw some lines, another line and a dot. And in this space between two petals, draw drop petal and then fill the space which is left. Draw a drop petal, then fill the space which is left. So this is the complete pattern we are going to draw in this row. So let's complete this row by drawing this pattern. And also if you want, you can completely fill the gap between two petals. If you don't want to draw these drop petals, you can fill the gap completely. So this row is also completed. Now it's time for the last row. So in the last row we are going to just draw simple lines. So just draw some simple lines and complete this row and this mandala. So let's complete this row by drawing these lines. And tada! Our mandala is completed now. So our beautiful and easy mandala is completed without any grid and without any hectic patterns. I only used simple patterns so that any beginners can draw this. So even if you are an absolute beginner, you can draw this mandala. And if you have never tried any mandala, you can definitely try this. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. And if you want to learn mandala from scratch, you can learn it from my beginners mandala course. Link is in the description, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.